how to connect any earbuds to your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can connect any earbuds, be it AirPods or any other branded earbuds, you can connect it to your iPhone in this way. So first steps first, swipe down from the top right corner to your control bar and then you will see the connection section right here. Tap on that and turn on your Bluetooth. After you've turned on your Bluetooth, what you'll need to do is you'll need to turn on your earbuds. So for that, all you have to do is swipe it up like this and it should start blinking. After you do that, you can then go to your Bluetooth again and tap on it. And there you should find your device. Tap on the device, whatever the device's name is, and it should start connecting. So you can wait for it to connect. So it can take some time if you're this is the first time you're connecting to your and yeah, after it's connected it's gonna show the and that's how you do this, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. See you for more upcoming tutorial videos and take care.